these Halloween decorations. Yes. Oh my God. Hi there. Hi there.
Hello.
Hello there. How are you?
Hi, I'm so good. Oh
Your name is?
Hi. My name is Monica.
Hi, Monica. Hi, I'm Oprah.
Hi, this is my husband,
Hi, Travis. And you are who?
Can you tell them your names?
Rebecca. And what's your name?
Joey.
Joey. Hi. How are you? Sylvie. Oh, I love it. So I'm canvassing for Stacey Abrams.
I heard you were in town.
And I'm right at your house. I'm more than in town. I'm at your house. I'm at your house.
I voted for her absentee already.
You did! Great!
Stacey! I wanted to be able to get out and do what you're doing on election day, not yours. Yeah.
Really? So you already have a plan for helping?
Absolutely. I'll be knocking doors. Yeah, we gotta get the vote out. We gotta get the vote out.
Amazing. Girls, your mom is amazing.
I haven't done it yet, but I am.
You don't have an early voting plan? Are you going to go on that day, or you have an early voting plan?
I want to go early.
You do?
I'm going to try to go today or tomorrow.
Do you have, really?
Yeah.
I think you should do that.
Oh, absolutely.
It's going to be crazy come Tuesday.
It's going to be busy.
It's going to be busy.
I'm so hopeful.
I'm hopeful too.
Yeah.
Okay. So do you want to volunteer, or you got your hands full here?
I got this guy, but I can help for a couple of days.
You
what
could.
You need help with?
Yeah, we need help. We need help with doing exactly what I'm doing. Canvassing or calling. You can do it right from your home.
Oh, heck
You
yeah.
could, yeah. Would you do that?
I would love to.
Okay, well, great. Well, Delilah's going to tell you just how to do that. Okay?
Okay.
That's great. Thank you.